Yeah. Share out and eat, you know. Yeah, what's up my beautiful people? Grand rising. Such a beautiful sunshine in the morning now. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, right, so now I'm there, so I hot up some food, you know. I say I'll do some work in the morning, but I say I hot up some food when I cook last night. I never get to show because the light went away, so I never finish cook, so I never get to finish the content, but I eat that. So we have some rice, that's hot up already. Yeah, man, look there. Yeah, man, some pumpkin rice you have in there with some platen, some fried platen hot up here. That blaze up, you know, look there. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, guys. Fully hot now. Share out and eat, you know. Yeah, just so got some ackee. Got some ackee in there with some fried frankfurter. You know, the hot out someone, yeah? And then we'll share. I respect for 400 subscribers. I'm celebrating 400 subscribers, 400 strong subscribers. Yeah, respect to all my subscribers. Thanks for liking up the live. Thanks for tuning to my live. And thanks for tuning to my content. The man look upon that fully hot, rich. You me guys planting there. Yeah. The man, everything hot. Hot and ready. You have to have some water hot over there so to make some coffee, you know what I mean? Check what I got. Water and hot here. Everything shell down, guys. Yeah. So we got some more for lunchtime still. Plus we got one pot of coffee over there, so. Machete fully sharp already. Thanks for 400 subscribers. Yeah. Machine up and running. Just don't drink the coffee, them people. Fire burn down, huh? We got some cooling ice still. Yeah, fire fully out now, people. Lots of cooling ice. Alright. Get it up back still. Yeah, my people. Yeah, man, fully clean up. So you gonna come, guys. Yeah, man, look at my yellow ginger them. Beautiful. Yeah, so I just step on a little break, you know. I see me get too jelly off of my cheek. Yeah, man. Man, put the machete in this like this way. Find a jelly off of the tree there, you know. We get thirsty and now, so I see one over there, so I juke it off. Picking jelly, guys. That's one down. One more to go. Yeah, got it. Yeah, right now I got 2 jelly on them. You guys got 2 little jelly. So refreshing. Yeah, guys. Finish go through and clean up the ground. Big up all my loyal subscriber them. Thanks for 400 subscriber. Keep on watching the video, guys. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Got some star fruit here, guys. Yeah, so I blend 2 lime, guys. Yeah, look at that, guys. Yeah, catch me on this blend up. Yeah, my people, started to rain now. Yeah, man. Raining, my people. Raining. And on the tree. Yeah, man, see that. Here's the water, you know. Got a shelter out there rain right now. Water run off the roof up, bless the people. I have more work to do, you know, guys, but started to rain now, okay? put watermelon, guys. Yeah. Blessing, guys. Yeah, man. Give thanks to look rain still, you know. Even though we have to stop the work. Yeah. I'll fully blend up some cucumber juice and have it in the weather, you know. People, raining. Yeah, my subscriber. Enjoy rain, yeah. Yeah, man. I plant the tree. Yeah, guys. Here's the weather, you know. Yeah, man.